Welcome to Anyone Can Do This. My name is Floyd Wilson. Today we are going to cook some mushrooms. Let's go. So first thing first, if you look at this mushroom here, it have a little bit of dirt on it. You never wash a mushroom. Don't listen to anyone. 20 years ago, I wouldn't touch a mushroom with a stick. Now, I'm holding it up and I want to eat it and all kind of stuff, okay? So what you do with mushroom like this, all you have to do is just clean it off with a damp cloth. Because if you wet this mushroom, it's like a sponge. You're gonna suck up all that water and then it's gonna come back out into your pan. So all you need to do is just wipe it. See how clean that is? But right now, you just cut them into 4 like this, right? Quarter them. Easy to cook. Okay. So what I have here is a shallot. I'm gonna use to saute these mushrooms. So all I'm gonna do is just give it a quick slice. So I'm gonna put a couple of cloves of garlic, fresh garlic. So I have some fresh thyme here. So I'm just gonna take it off of the stem, right? And just a quick chop on the thyme. I'm using coconut oil here right now. You hear that? So it's getting hot and nice, so we add it here. A lot of people seem to put it in, they start to move it around. You gotta leave it for a bit, right? Then it let it sear in nice. You see the color? You see what's happening there? See that nice color? That's what you want. You see that? Right? So I'm gonna push it around a bit. I have my mixture of salt and pepper here as usual. It's easier to season for the people who, don't understand quantity of it. So, nicely seasoned. Don't touch it anymore now. Leave it for another minute. It's gonna take about 6-7 minutes to cook, okay? So you leave it there. And you give it a nice shake. Okay. And you notice that there's not a lot of water in there, right? Because it's searing nicely, and that's what we want from it, okay? Shallots, garlic, and thyme. So this is gonna help give it some flavor, okay? So we're gonna move there. We can incorporate it. The mushrooms still have some integrity to it, as you can see. Right. So you know what is missing right now? Curly parsley that was washed and dry. Now we're gonna just give it a rough chop. And we're gonna add it to our mushrooms. Yes. So we're gonna add the parsley to this. Give it a quick stir. Yes, I love that caramelization at the bottom of the pan. Nice side dish, eh? Now because it's a family, don't make it look nice and sexy, right? Then, what I'm gonna do to this mushroom, just to finish it up now, is I'm gonna add some of my pepperoncini oil. Oh, yes, yes. Look, see, this here, this takes it to the next level. So I just add the oil, as you can see, but now this is the finished product of how to saute mushrooms.